Compassion cannot coexist with denial and sugarcoating. The reason why I keep talking about bullying and favoritism in schools, sexism and normalized abuse in higher educational institutes, gender-based discrimination and otherwise toxic work culture, even about coming from a home where we didn't always know peace, the impact on personal development of a household where emotional regulation is not the norm, where setting boundaries is villainized, where the concept of identity is only relational and so enmeshed with almost no sense of individualization or personal space. One, I know that I'm definitely not the only one. This is everyone's story, almost 99.999% of the population's story. Second, I think some of us got to keep healing in public so that others can continue to heal in private. Third and most important, even to completely understand where someone is coming from, to meet people right where they are. I cannot be painting them in this all perfect godly image. I must see them in their entirety, the best, the worst, everything in between, all of it. As much as I understand that everyone does the best they can at any given point of time and it's important to give each other that grace, but it's also important to have these conversations where the best that people think they are doing is still harmful for a child, can still be extremely destructive, even traumatic for the sense of someone's self-worth and self-dignity. The best that people think they are doing can still hurt someone else, intended or unintended. True compassion starts with recognizing the present unhealed version of a person today and then making a conscious choice of not giving up on them just because, of deciding to give them all the space and time that they need for their own personal healing journey to grow into who they choose to grow into, not into someone I want them to be for me, and at the same time creating enough distance to preserve my own emotional peace and create this space for my personal healing as well, because let's face it, we are all a work in progress. Compassion does not operate on willful blindness. Kindness always has a space for difficult conversations with respect, with understanding. So it is important to understand, if I am to be truly compassionate, then I got to trust everyone to be able to grow and heal from their present emotionally dysregulated, emotionally unaware, or even hurtful, not very consciously hurtful, unhealed versions today. If I am to be really kind and understanding, then I can tone down my voice, but I cannot tone down humanitarian logic.